Hi viewers, இன்றைய வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகும் டாபிக் கம்ப்யூட்டர் குவிஸ் பார்ட் 5. இன்றைய வீடியோவில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், PC laptop speakers are an example of an option A input device, option B output device, option C system hardware. Answer option B output device. Next question, the operating system for Apple devices is option A Safari, option B Android, option C iOS, option D option 4. Answer option C iOS. Next question, each computer in network is called option A mode, option B board, option C node, option D client. Answer option C node. Next question, the printed output from a computer is called option A copy, option B soft copy, option C handout, option D hard copy. Answer option D hard copy. Next question, which of the following is not a file type? Option A .dox, option B .xlsx, option C .com, option D .jpeg. Answer option C .com. Next question, which of the following is not a part of Microsoft Office? Option A Excel, option B Photoshop, option C Word, option D Access. Answer option B Photoshop. Next question, the basic unit of memory is option A word, option B byte, option C kilobyte, option D bit. Answer option D bit. Next question, the first web browser was invented in option A 1999, option B 1980, option C 1990, option D 1982. Answer option C 1990. Next question, Excel file cannot be exported to dash format. Option A doc, option B CSV, option C XML, option D HTML. Answer option A DOC doc format. Next question, which of the following is not an education website? Option A Khan Academy, option B Wikipedia, option C Baiju, option D Snapdeal. Answer option D Snapdeal. Next question, writing in all caps is considered shouting over the internet. Option A true, option B false. Answer option A true. Next question, a series of programs that is used to operate or run a computer is called option A power supply, option B operating system, option C software. Answer option B operating system. Next question, the dash is the step-by-step instructions written to solve any problem. Option A computer, option B algorithm, option C flowchart, option D process. Answer option B algorithm. Next question, who is known as the father of C language? Answer Dennis Ritchie. Next question. What is the C drive? Option A, the hard drive contains all the information used by the computer. Option B, DVD ROM drive. Option C, floppy disk drive. Option D, backup memory drive. Answer option A, the hard drive contains all the information used by the computer. Hi friends, இந்த வீடியோ செஷன் இதோட முடிஞ்சு இன்னொரு வீடியோ வரையாக சந்திப்பேன். அதுவரை நன்றி, வணக்கம்.